This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, September 10th. Stock index futures were lower in the overnight trade, but more recently have recovered and are now putting in some pretty good gains. This, even though we have the ongoing tensions between the U.S. and China. Also, we did have the jobless claims report today coming in a little higher than expected. The PPI also running a little hotter than anticipated. Overall, though, stock index futures seem to be performing well for the recent news. Moving over to the currencies, the dollar index on Tuesday advanced above a downtrend line, but as of today, it has now rolled back under that line, suggesting that that breakout to the upside may have been a false breakout. Also, we did have the European Central Bank at their policy meeting today, leaving credit policies unchanged. The ECB now has its key rate at a negative 50 basis points. Moving over to the interest rate futures markets, mostly steady up front, a little bit lower at the long end of the curve. Also, we do have some supply with the Treasury auctioning 30-year bonds today. I'm still thinking that central banks around the world will remain very accommodative, so that should support the front-end futures. But more inflation longer term is likely to undermine the long end, especially the 30-year bonds. So I could see being long 5 and 10-year notes versus shorts in the 30-year bond futures. I think that will work. It has worked overall in the last month or so. The gold market trading higher, silver higher as well as interest rates remain very low. That is a situation that is likely to persist for quite some time. Even the Fed may not be able to raise rates for several years. So that continues to support the precious metals, and I do believe that higher prices remain likely for both gold and silver. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.